Hi, Willie Stoltz here, used truck sales manager for Industrial Power Truck and Equipment. Today we're going to be doing a walk around on this 2017 Hino 268A. It is an air brake truck and it is 25,950 GVW, so it is under CDL. Before we jump into that walk around, I want to make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell, so every time we put new equipment on, you'll be notified and you can take a look at it. We bring our trucks in from our leasing department, which this particular truck came from, or from our customers' trade-ins. We go through, wholesale the trucks we don't want, keeping just the best trucks for our customers. Once we've done that, we do a 150-point check. We go through the cabs, bodies, lift gates, tires, brakes, engine, transmission fluids. Any discrepancies that are found, we run them through our medium shop, through the body shop. Once that's done, we do a QC, test drive, clean up, get them online for our customers to look at. As we said, this is a 2017 Hino 268 air brake truck. Now, on top of that 150-point check, we've done the engine oil filter, fuel and air filters. It's got a new DPF filter in it, 6 new injectors in it, and this truck is pre-qualified for an extended warranty on it. Let's take a look at the inside of the truck real quick. A lot of people aren't aware of this, but Hino is Toyota's commercial truck. So when you purchase a Hino, you're getting Toyota's dependability and reliability that they're known for worldwide. As we climb in, plenty of grab handles to get in. We've got a nice air ride suspension seat for the driver, 2-person bench seat, so you can have a crew of 3. We got the great outward visibility, plus pretty good upward with the sloped hood of the truck. We have got the AM/FM CD player, air conditioning, cruise control, and this truck has power and heated mirrors on the large mirrors on the doors. So your driver can control the large mirrors on the doors from the driver's seat, which is a really nice option. As we said, it was diesel automatic, and this truck is an air brake truck. So it does have that nice feature. And being a 2017 truck, again, you can look at the inside of this truck. Is very well maintained by our leasing department. Be a great truck for you guys to get in and start making you money with. Let's take a look at the business end of the truck real fast. This truck's got really good rubber all the way around it. The box is in really good shape for 2017. The truck was run here in Texas, so there's not a whole lot of rust on it. This particular truck can go dock to dock, ground to dock, or dock to ground with this really nice 2,500-pound tuckaway gate, 80 inches wide, 50 inches deep, so you can get your pallet and pallet jack on there, or whatever else you're needing to load. Truck gets up to, or the lift gate gets to the top, meets up like it should. This is a 26-foot 103, 102 wide van body. We've got the 2 rows of E-tracks. We've got slats and the hardwood scuff that run up to the front and back down the other side, along with the E-tracks and slats. So there's plenty of places to tie down with. Roof's in really good shape with a nice LED dome light for those early morning, late afternoon deliveries. And this laminated hardwood floor has a whole lot of life left in it, still in really good shape. Lift gate goes down just as good as it goes up. A lot of people come into Industrial Power Truck and Equipment looking for a delivery truck of some kind. We got the smaller trucks. We are starting to get a lot better variety of these big 26-footers. And even though this truck is in really good shape, we can still take and wrap the body and the cab if you'd like to, with your name, graphics, your design, and phone number, turning that fuel money into advertising money while you're rolling down the road. Again, a really nice 2017 Hino 268A air brake truck, spring suspension, 25,950 GVW. You can go to our website, iptruck.com, go to our Facebook page, and go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that notification bell. So every time we put new equipment on there, you'll be notified. Again, stick with us for a minute. We're going to tilt the hood on this truck, start it up, and give you a little more intimate walk around of just the truck. And as always, we do appreciate your time.